This is John with Flat 6 Motorsports, and today we're taking a look at this 991.1 Turbo S. Now, we had an episode before showcasing a 991.1 Turbo S with full bolt-ons and a tune, and that car really moved. It transformed the power delivery of that car. Very impressive results. But if you're looking to take your turbo a little bit further, a step further, this would be the answer. So this car has full bolt-ons. It has a plenum, Y-pipe, BMC high flow air filter. It's got a Cobb tune on it. It's got the AMS intercooler kit, a full Soul competition exhaust, but two other things that are added to this to make it a really impressive package. And those are 68 millimeter turbos. Now these are offered by Tile or Pure Turbos. This basically allows the turbo to be machined on the inside, put a larger cartridge so you have a larger turbine wheel which moves more volume through the turbo, providing more airflow to the car, which allows you to make more power. Now this owner also chose to use a water meth injection kit, and this is a snow performance based kit. And it's nice because you can do some progressive mapping with the amount of water methanol injection. The Y-pipe is tapped for the dual nozzles, and this allows lower intake air temperatures, but also increases horsepower. So you can tune specific for water meth injection, and then obviously the larger turbos. So the sum of this package is really just gonna be a lot more power, probably 750 horsepower range in a car like this at the crankshaft. We're gonna take it for a quick spin and just show you how this thing goes. So there were some in-car clips. As you can see, this thing's a very impressive machine. We really love the 991 Turbo here. It's just such an impressive platform. There's so much opportunity to make power in this car, and you can do it very safely. It's reliable, drives OEM-like, and just really transforms the car, takes it to a whole nother level. I highly recommend a kit like this if you're one of those people that just want to have absolute power. It's a great way without upsetting the formula of the car too much. You still have great handling, you still have amazing brakes, and just a lot more power and urgency with the car. But best of all, it runs like stock. You can pass the keys to a valet and they're gonna know how to drive it. If you have any questions regarding your 991 Turbo setup or interested in this type of kit, feel free to check us out at flat6motorsports.com. Thanks for watching.
Content's hot. Content's hot. You get to give me all you got.